is 4. The difference of this ratio is 4. The difference of this ratio is 3. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Okay, so let's do this. Chicken is to hot dog, 11 is to 7. This is the original. This is the consumed. Chicken is to hot dog would be 8 is to 5. Right? So the difference is 3, the difference is 4, the difference is 3. Let's make the difference the same because the difference should be the same. So multiplying by 3, 33 is to 21. Multiplying by 4, 32 is to 20. Right? Why did we just do this? The differences are now the same. And at the end of the party, 4 types of each buns were left. Look at the difference. From 33 decreased to 32. From 21 decreased to 20. 1 unit was not consumed. That 1 unit is 4. 33 decreased to 32. 21 decreased to 20. Right? There's only 1 unit that was not consumed, and that 1 unit is 4. So the total number of units would be 54 units. 4 times 54, 216. Right? So this is the original number of buns that David had bought. Can I show this as a model? Of course. Okay, that's the objective for today, to represent as models. So, okay, 11 units, 7 units here. Chicken is to hot dogs. Right? Now, there's a difference of 4 units. This is the difference between the number of chicken hot dogs, chicken force buns as hot dog buns. But at the end of the party, how many were left? 4 were left. And this ratio, let me just cover up. This ratio that's left is 8 is to 5. 8 is to 5. Okay, so let me represent it in different manner. Okay, this is probably the most challenging, as I mentioned. That's why I have to go through with everyone. Original chicken 11, original hot dog 7. But after 4 were left each, what was consumed? So let me cover up. 8 is to 5. What's the common thing? The common thing is the difference. The difference between original and what was left, what was consumed, was the same. So, which is why we did this here. We have to make the difference the same. The difference between 11 and 7 is 4. The difference between 8 and 5 is 3. Make the difference the same. So this will be 12 units. Right? This will be 12 units. Since this is 12 units, this 1 unit would then be 4. Right? So this is how we can draw a model. It's not easy, why? Because the numbers are quite large here. It's not easy to show. Okay? So what about the algebra way? In this case, the algebra way is the simplest because you just form the equation and just solve. What will you let? Let original chicken floss be 11x. Right? Let original hot dog be 7x. Okay? And what can we do? If I subtract what was left, the ratio is 8 is to 5. This is the key equation for this question. Once you formulate this equation, You can solve for x and solve for the number of total number of bars initially. Right? What do we do here? Just to explain a bit further. When I subtract 4 from each of the original, I get the ratio of what was consumed. The ratio of the original was 11:7, after which 4 was left. So okay, when we subtract this 4 left, we get the ratio that was consumed. Okay? So what is one key concept here in the common in all these questions? To represent ratio as fractions. And of course, we will use a diagram to represent them. Okay? So let's conclude with a few last slides. What should we do? So this is the last segment, then let's cover for a break. Okay? What are some common students' difficulties?